But guys, to another video. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you are a all-time viewer or all-time supporter, welcome back to another episode with your girl Shauna Million. So this week is basically maintenance week, so I'll be getting a couple things out of the way, like my nails tomorrow, because I have an appointment at 6:30. I don't know why I'm gonna take so long to get things in order, and then I have this very late appointment. Like when I go 6 o'clock, 6:30 by road. And then on top of it, I wanted to get my hair done, but that not seem like it possible because if the appointment is so late. But anyways, this is the week to do what I need to do because a lot of places full up and a lot of spots fill and book out. So it happened to me last year and I don't know why make it happen to me again this year. Like girl, you know what I mean? Anyways, we got some Christmas decorations as well for the tree because let me tell you guys something, ma'am. My tree has been out for like 2 weeks prior to Christmas. 2 weeks. This is like from before December, literally from before December, because I don't know, but I don't know how to explain it, but I love Christmas. Like the love that I have for this season is so unexplainable. I know that I'm looking a little bit crazy right now because of this, but I promise you guys this is a part of my routine. I do this every night before going into bed, prep my skin and my facial part as well before doing anything else. But this year we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to be going a little bit traditional and bringing back the traditional colors, the traditional coloring and everything. So yeah, so I'll be taking you guys along with me to get maintained. Girl, let's go. Hey guys, so today's actually a couple days before Christmas and I'm just getting into the town to get some stuffs, to get some groceries to be exact, and probably get some other stuffs. I'm not sure if I'm going to be getting anything for the Christmas tree today because we already have enough, but probably we'll just touch up on some more stuffs that we probably want. And I'm using the fragrance Your Cherry. This lotion smells so good, really good. It's almost like, I don't know if you know the perfume when named Good Girl. It has that type of smell, so it smells really good. So I like to use it when I'm like going on the road, so it just has this distinct smell. I not really wear too much lip gloss, too much or anything, but just moisturize my lip them. Gloss, I'm using the Max. You can get these in Walmart or Target. I bought this in Walmart. It was like a pack of them, and you can also get them out here as well because I get them in the Chinese store and they are really good. Them very lasting on your lips. just came back. Don't think I will be going back out here for the rest of the week because it's a total disaster. Like a total disaster. Me know me not go back out there until the New Year's. Not doing it. Anyways, I just came home, took a bath, and now I'm going to be applying my mask cream to my face because I did not do that this morning because I knew that it was going to be very, very hot out there, so I chose not to do any form of facial this morning. So I am just getting that in right now. Guys, I am so tired. I'm exhausted. Like, I'm not even like exhaustion is not even the word right now. Not even the word. But we just have to do what we have to do, right? Good. Have to do what we have to do. Trying to get this. Guys, if you don't, talking to my girlies right now, talking to everybody on the platform right now, if you don't invest in your skin or in your body, please start doing so. Listen to me. Please invest in your body and in your skin. When I ask you, may I tell you, people, you cannot walk around with looking certain type of way. But one thing that I do the most, the only thing that I do the most is to invest in my skin and to invest in my body. That's it. Me, I'm not a fussy girl. I don't fuss up about anything. Nothing at all. I'm not a trending girl. So you will see me in our style we stopped wear 2 years ago, because the thing with me is that I don't wear a style like the style will come in now. I'm gonna wear it until 2 years after, or probably 3 years after, because I wear what I want. I don't wear what is trending, and that is why I am just wearing, or I am just getting the almond shaped nails, because almond nails been in. Almond nails, they have been in for a while, for quite a while now, and I chose to continue to wear tapered nails even when everybody around me or when everybody was wearing the almond nails. People who, if you know me, you will like know say she don't kill a person. If you know me very well, like very, very well, you will know that I've been like that over the years. Maturity didn't do it. It's just always been me. The only thing is that maturity made it better. So that's just me, you know? That's just me. And when you're mature on top of it, it is going to make things even top notch. I know I look crazy right now, but it's just application of the mask. So we're gonna let that sit, and then we're gonna just get it off. But I'm going to be ending the vlog here, guys, and before I go, I wanted to shout out to some supporters before I go. So the other night I was like on my iPad, and I was looking at some comments, just reading through my comment sections from previous videos and all of that, and I was like, the love that I get in the comment section is top tier. So I wanted to do something very different for everybody who supports the channel, whether through commenting, whether through viewing, whether through liking, subscribing, or even sharing. I am going to do something different. So I chose to embrace the comment section by putting the comments on the screen and just responding back to you guys. And I'm doing this also because some of the times I don't get to like go through all of the comments, but just know say me love you know, and it's always love from me to you guys. So before we end the video off, we're going to be pulling some comments from our 2 previous videos. So let's go. First comment is from Jada Smith. She says, love your vlogs so much. We have the same case. Thank you, Jada. I've seen her name quite a few times in the section, so thank you for your continuous support, hon. And I always try to give you guys very good vlogs, very good content, positive content as well. So love you too, sweetheart. Someone else commented and said tuned in. Thank you. That's from Kalame 96. Thank you, Kalame, for tuning in. Thank you for the support. Main View says good stuff, Shauna, keep it up. Thank you, Main View. And then we have, hey, this is cooking up conversations, says, hey, new subby from Smooth Sands page, checking you out. Thank you. Then we have Anora 3 says, new subs here, vlog was great. Thank you, Anora. And let me see, who else do we have? We have, oh, this person says, one day, this is from Loading 3105 says, one day you will get viral. So thank you so much for this comment. Like, listen, we're taking it a step and a day at a time. Only God alone, but we know. Thank you so much for the assurance, because one day we will, and working towards it. So this person is Keisha. This look like I'm a mother. My mom is literally one of my top main supporters as well. She is always supporting me, always a support, literally always at the front of the seat, in at the front of the row, always. She says, just keep going, I like that look. Thank you so much, mommy, and if you're watching this, I love you so much. And I think that is it for the comment section, guys. I think that's it. I love you guys so much for every bit of support that you guys have been showing the channel. A matter of fact, we are now at 700 plus subscribers, and we couldn't have done it without you guys. So guys, just continue to support your girl, continue to be there, continue to show up for her. I'll definitely see you guys into the next vlog. Happy holidays, straight back to New Year's, and just remember that it's one Shauna Million, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys into the next vlog. Bye.